Can good news for farming be bad news for farmers?
So, let's talk about what happens when a new wheat hybrid is discovered. It sounds good for farming, right?
Absolutely. But interestingly, it can actually be bad news for farmers.
Really? How does that work?
Well, when the new hybrid is introduced, it shifts the supply curve to the right because farmers can produce more wheat per acre.
Got it. So, more supply means more wheat sold, right?
Exactly. But here's the catch, even though the quantity sold increases, the price of wheat falls.
Oh, I see. So, the total revenue for farmers could actually decrease?
Yes. When the price drops and the demand for wheat is inelastic, total revenue can fall. For example, revenue dropped from $300 to $220 after the hybrid was introduced.
That's surprising. Why would farmers still want to adopt the hybrid if it hurts their revenue?
Good question. Each farmer is a small player in the market, so they adapt to the new technology to produce more, even if it affects the overall price.
That makes sense. It's fascinating how technology changes the economy. How has this affected the number of farmers over time?
Well, back in 1950, there were 10 million farmers in the US, which was 17% of the labor force. By 1998, that number dropped to under 3 million, just 2% of the labor force.
Wow, that's a huge change. So, despite fewer farmers, the output has increased?
Exactly. U.S. farms produced more than twice the output of crops and livestock in 1998 compared to 1950, despite the drop in farmers.